Hello and welcome everyone, it's Martin here at CryptoGains. Happy Monday! We have a lot of exciting things to cover today, so you can take out your notepad and take some notes on some exciting trading ideas. First of all, I wanted to share a deep, insightful research piece by Dalio of Bridgewater Associates. And first of all, I really wanted to highlight how this knowledgeable investor begins with a long disclaimer explaining how he is not a Bitcoin expert but is willing to share the view of himself and of his team based on the analysis that they have conducted. And without boring you with all the details of this long analysis, basically they're conducting a comparison between different asset classes, including cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and gold, mostly gold as a store of value, and also equities. And his conclusion is that definitely there are opportunities in Bitcoin, but at least in his opinion, it still remains somewhat young and there is still a lot of questions to be answered and the market still needs to grow substantially so that big institutional investors can put money in Bitcoin without disrupting the market too much and without causing major price fluctuations. In addition to that, although we reached an all-time high over the weekend, Bitcoin was not able to break over 60,000 and currently there is a minor support around 52,500, but analysts at Being Crypto believe that we may be in a corrective phase and we can be seeing some more decreases. In addition to that, one of the most influential people in the crypto community at the moment, Elon Musk, said that in his opinion Bitcoin and Ethereum are both at prices that are too high at the moment. So let's move our attention to the 1 hour chart of Bitcoin versus Tether. The way that I'm reading the chart, we have reasonably robust support around 55,500, so over that level I would be looking for long positions with target at 58,000. However, if we break below 54,000, I would be shorting Bitcoin with targets at 52,500, where we have some support, but if we break below that, we can be going to as low as 50,000. And then midterm, we can be retesting some of the targets that the analysts at Being Crypto talk about around the 47 to 44,000 mark, where we have the longer term support levels. In addition to that, we have some interesting developments. First of all, in an article that I published on Friday on my LinkedIn profile, I talked about the fact that Ethereum may be due for a correction. And if we take a look at the chart in a minute, you're going to see that what I had as a downside target is what some of the analysts are discussing in their publications today, 1,750. So let's take a look at the Ethereum versus Tether chart. So my proposition was that as long as we're over 1,900, there could be opportunities to be going to as high as 2,000 near some of the recent all-time highs, and if we break below 18,300, we could be declining further to the target at 1,750, which seems to be validated. So the chart that I discussed on Friday with the trading ideas remains valid as it is. We can see that the trade that I recommended on Friday would have been profitable, with Ethereum reaching 2,000 over the weekend, and now it's correcting some of these gains. So the picture is as it is, buying over 1,900, selling under 1,830. Also, there are some exciting developments around Ripple, which surged over 15% on news that it registered an entity in a new US state, Wyoming. It has looser regulation and it may allow Ripple to continue operating profitably despite the allegations in the case from the Securities and Exchange Commission. So let's take a brief look at how will this pan out on the chart. We're looking at the 1 hour chart of XRP versus Tether. And the way that I'm reading the chart, over 0.58, I'm seeing opportunities for a long position with target at 0.62 and then 0.64, some of the near highs from recent sessions. However, if we break below 0.54, we could be declining and retesting the support at 0.5. And finally, the idea for today comes from Dogecoin, which, as we're going to see in a minute, broke outside of a consolidating triangle on the 1-hour chart, and the way that I'm reading it, over 0.58 there is an opportunity to initiate long position with a target at 0.064, and our stop loss will be near the midpoint of that consolidating triangle at 0.056. So thank you very much for joining me today. Keep learning with the video education section, the Crypto Gains Market Insight subsection, and of course remember to join our Crypto Signals Made Easy channel for lots of insightful articles and trading ideas. Thanks for joining me today. Trade wisely and have a good week. Bye bye. Hey, thanks a lot for tuning in, and if you liked what you see and you're not already with us, click on the link in the description below and become part of the Stormgain community. That way you will never miss another opportunity and you will become a more profitable crypto trader. See you soon.